Jack in today. Jack is a local from Jacksonville. Went to UNF. Just recently graduated in when? When did you graduate? August. So fresh out of school. But while he was there, was playing golf. Had some low back issues, correct? Especially on that right side. A lot of lifting, a lot of swinging, a lot of practice. Just kind of a little bit of an overuse injury. Strained that right paraspinal muscle kind of on the lower end there. And like I said, we've just kind of been adjusting, doing some muscle work. Been helping you out, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you're actually getting ready to go to fire school in January?
Yep.
So he's been kind of coming in on a regular basis, getting ready for that, still training, doing a lot of lifting, squatting much?
A little bit, yeah.
Cool. Any deadlifts, anything else that you've kind of been doing?
More squatting than
More
anything.
squatting. So really loading that spine. We got to make sure he's strong in that lower half there, strong in his legs. We've been doing a lot of motion stuff with him, going through some movement assessments, making sure everything's stabilized, moving correctly, but really right now we're just focusing on that lower back. So what I'm going to do is just assess that lower back, and then we'll get some treatment started. Sound good?
All right.
Good. First thing we're going to do is focus on this lumbar spine, this lower portion right before his hips and his pelvis area. I'm just going to have my hand on your low back, and what this is called flexion distraction. This table's going to kind of swing down and back up, and I'm just kind of moving through his lumbar spine, getting some separation down in those facet joints, and just creating some motion in that area for you. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. And so I'm just going to kind of roll you over. I just want you to relax that low back for me. And you're just going to kind of feel me drop, okay? Good. Same thing. Just relax that lower half. Good. So, after we adjust his low back, we got some good movement in both sacroiliac joints as well as that lumbar spine. We're going to do a little bit of extra muscle work, especially on this right side where it's been flaring up lately. So what we're going to do is a little bit of muscle scraping. So we're just going to put some cream right on this lower portion right here. And we're going to take this tool, and we're just going to create some blood flow to this area, kind of loosen up some of those muscle knots, some of that tension that he's been having right on that lower right side. As we can see, it's getting a little red here, and that's what we want. We want that blood flow to that area. How does that feel?
Good.
Awesome. All right. Get that wiped off there. All righty. You're good to go.
All right.